Have you been thinking about to change your career? Would you like to update your resume? Creating a job resume is super simple when using a tool like Google Docs. Hi, I'm Ellie and this is the Tech Tricks channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a basic job resume in Google Docs. Let's get started. Your resume should have these essential elements. Name and contact info, including full name and your contact info such as phone number, address, and email. An overview, 2 or 3 sentences explaining why you are the right candidate for the position you are applying for. You should include information regarding your educational background, including the schools and years you attended. Describe your work experience, including the positions you've held, each employer, and your responsibilities. And your resume should highlight skills relevant to the job you're applying for. Let's start by creating a blank document at docs.google.com. Here are some settings we need to adjust. Margin is the first thing I do, so I go to the File tab, Page Setup. This pop-up window will open. Now I can make some changes. It is recommended that you keep 1 inch of margin on both sides of the resume page. So I change these numbers to 1. Then I move forward and click OK. I want to have image, full number, and description on the top of the page. So I need a table with 2 columns and rows. I go to the Insert tab and add the table. I want to have an image on the left up here. So I insert the picture in the first cell of the table. I go to the Insert tab, Image. You can choose any of these options, but I select Upload from Computer. I choose my image and I go ahead and click on OK. My image is inserted. Now I resize it. If you right mouse clicks on the image and choose Image option, this panel will open on the left side. It gives you many options for formatting the image. Then I type the full name in the next cell. I change the font size and style. Now I press the Enter key. In the following line, position title. Again, I do some formatting. In the next cell, I type a paragraph about myself. I prefer to add the link to my LinkedIn profile, so I go to the Insert tab. Down here, I click on Link. Then I paste the link to my LinkedIn profile and press Enter key. Okay, the first part of my resume is finished. I prefer to keep only the down border of the table and delete other borders. So I press the Control key down and select all borders. Now on the border section, I make the width 0. For the next part of the resume, I should add a table with 4 rows and 2 columns. So again, I go to the Insert tab, Table. Alright, the table is created. Let's select the table and resize it. I can right mouse click on the table, choose Table Properties, and do some edits here. I should add some contact ways in my resume. So to make it more interesting, first I insert some related icons for the phone number, email, and address. Now I need 3 text boxes to add to the cell. To do this, I go to the Insert tab, Drawing, then New. This window will open, and now I click on the text box icon and draw a box. I type the text, email address, After I finish, I go ahead and click on Save and Close. As you can see, the text box is added to my document. Now I reposition it. I do the same for phone numbers and address. For the next cell, I should add my education. So I make the cursor center. I type education. And change the font size and style. Now I can type my educational background. I prefer to do it at the end. Then the cell beneath belongs to skills. I need a bigger cell for skills, so I merge these two cells. The most important part is experiences. So I merge all these cells to have enough place and type the title. I fill all cells at the end. Now I remove the side borders. I press the Ctrl key down, select the borders, and make the width 0. Okay, it's time for the last step. I fill out the resume to see the final file. Okay, this is the final file. Now you can click on Share, copy the file link, or send it. Okay, my tutorial finished. I hope you found it helpful. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. For the next, I suggest you to watch this tutorial to improve your skills in Google Docs. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.